Here are some of the best things about having a senior cat. Now, if you don't know already, I do have a senior cat. This is Rags. She is 17 and she's very much a senior cat. The best thing about senior cats is there's no zoomies. I mean, zoomies are adorable and everything, but they are so destructive sometimes. Similarly, she isn't up in the night destroying my bedroom like some younger cats might be. She just likes to sit on the end of my bed and fall asleep like I do. Senior cats are much more likely to really enjoy cuddles. I love cuddles with Rexy, and she just really likes sitting in one place all day and just soaking up the rays if it's a nice day, or just having a lovely cuddle. She'll probably sit here all day if I let her. And less likely to hunt as well. Hunting's part of their nature, but I'm very, very glad that she doesn't bring home anything that used to be alive. Senior cats also make great pets for older people or people who just have a lot less energy. They are less rambunctious, they have less needs when it comes to exercise and that kind of thing, so they're perfect for people who like a slower pace in life.